My name's Sarah Moore. I am a SAP Success Factors specialist and HR technology project manager, specialising in change management as well. The biggest challenge was making sure that the work that I was doing and the change processes that I was implementing within my projects were practical and able to be used by people straight off the bat. I wanted to upskill myself in using more of the technology that we do now with change and how we're approaching interacting with people, particularly when we're in online environments, and getting them more engaged in how we work through the change processes with them. The change people that were supporting us in the project were giving us materials and ways of working that were too academic for the audience that we had. It's given me more context around the change work and more processes that I can use, whether I do them as a formal workshop or whether it's part of a conversation with somebody or whatever. It has given me more of the analysis tools very easily to be able to use those and put them into nice, neat little packages. I definitely recommend anybody who's thinking about change management. If you're a project manager and you want to find out more information about change management, if you're a leader and you think, what is this change management thing? It's a brilliant program.